Okay, today we will solve some exercise problems of 6.1 of your lesson lines and angles. Okay, here is the first question. This is AOB, this is straight angle, and this is divided by the CD. This one, this is AO, this is C, and this is D. And what we have to find out is here. In this question, he has given angle AOC plus angle BOE. How much he has given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 has given in question. Okay. And one more thing. What is there in the question? Has given the value of BOD also. BOD equals to 40 degree. He has given this angle equals to how much? 40 degree. And what we have to find out? What we have to find out is, we have to find out the value of this COE, this angle. COE equals to question mark and reflex of COE, reflex of COE, and one more angle, angle BOE equals to question mark. This angle equals to, first we have to find out this angle and we have to find out reflex of COE. How to find out the value of BOE? This is very clear. In hint only he has given. This is there in the question. Sum of these two equals to how much? We will consider this as 1 and this as 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to how much? This as 1 and this as 2. Sum of both angles equals to 70 degree. In which? And one more. He has given in the question. Angle BOD equals to 40 degree. This is 40. Angle BOD equals to, I will write angle AOC. Why? Both are alternative vertically opposite angles. Both are vertically opposite angles. Right? When two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. This is also 40 degree. And now we can easily find out their sum equals to 70, in which one we got as 40 by vertically opposite angles. And this becomes 30 degree, right? 40 plus 30 is 70. How we got? In 70 you subtract 40, you will get the 30 angle. This is AOC how much? AOC plus BOE equals to 70. What we have to find out? This BOE we have to find out. AOC is 40. Here we got the value of AOC by vertical opposite angle property. AOC is 40, BOE as it is equals to 70. Then BOE equals to 70 minus 40, which is equals to 30. We got the value of BOE. After finding the value of BOE, it's very easy to find the value of COE. How to find out the COE? Is that clear? Any doubt? Now here, the sum of all the three angles equals to 180. Okay, in which we know the value of two angles is 70 degree. In 180 will subtract 70. Remaining is the COE angle. How to find out the COE? COE equals to 180 minus 70. Why we are subtracting 70? 40 plus 30 is 70. In which we have to subtract in 180. Okay, we'll get the angle COE. Then COE equals to how much? 110 degree. This is the value of COE. Then how to find out the reflex of COE? This reflex of COE is reflex means more than 180, less than 360, right? In 360 we have to subtract this 110. We'll get the value of reflex of COE. Idu bittu ulikidu. Okay? COE 360 minus COE. We'll get the angle of reflex of COE. This is how we have to find out the value of BOE and angle reflex of the angle COE. Okay, this is there in a question. X plus y equals to W plus Z. Y means this is also 180, this is also 180. Okay, Then 180 plus 180 only 360, right? This makes a complete angle. That's why he wrote x plus y equals to w plus z. Okay, we'll take this while solving. Okay, we have to take the use of this one. It's very simple question. What we have to prove is AOB is a straight line. This AOB is a straight line we have to show. How to show? First, with the help of straight angle property, I'll add these two angles. X plus y equals to 180. The straight angle, call this as 1. And below, this can be written as w plus z equals to 180. Same reason, straight angle, call this as 2. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. We get, what we'll get? We'll add RHS one side, LHS one side. X plus y plus w plus z equals to 180 plus 180, 360. And this is x plus y I'll write as it is. And plus this w plus z I'll replace by x plus y. Why? This w plus z equals to x plus y equals to 360. And here x plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2y equals to 360. All are the multiples of 2. We'll divide by 2 this whole. And what remains? 2 ones are 2, 180s are x plus y equals to 180. This x plus y equals to 180 means AOB is a straight line. Hence proved. Okay? And you add x plus y, you will get 180 only. The both are supplementary angles. AOB is a straight angle. Okay? Okay, here is the next question of your exercise 6.1. Don't see. So what we have to prove is, prove that ROS equals to, this ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus POS. This one we have to prove. Here this SO is a perpendicular line, stands on a POQ, and this is RO is a bisector of this POS. Okay, and what we have to prove is ROS. First I'll consider this side 90 degree. These two adjacent angles. Sum of these two adjacent angle equals to 90 degree. Okay, I'll write this as POR. Okay, POR, or wait. This is, I'll make it as S, and this is R. POS. These two are adjacent angles. Okay, side by side angles. POS plus ROS. ROS equals to how much? 90 degree. Now what we have to prove is, I want ROS. You don't worry about this side 90 degree. This side only you consider. Don't worry about this side. This 90 degree you consider now. Okay. Here ROS is there. In question also what we have to prove? ROS equals to. Here ROS equals to, you write ROS equals to 90. Take this POS to other side. When it goes to other side, this becomes minus POS. Call this as question 1. We got as ROS equals to. This is sum of adjacent angles equals to 90 degree. And how to write? I want ROS in answer. That's why ROS equals to, take this POS to other side. 90 minus POS. Call this as the equation 1. Now we'll come to this side, 90 degree. Here QOR equals to 90 degree. But I want like ROS. How to make this ROS? In QOS, this QOS, here it is, QOS. In QOS, we'll subtract this ROS. How much remains? 90 only remains. In QOS, we'll subtract this ROS. We will get 90 only. In this QOS, we'll subtract this 90. Sorry, this ROS. This ROS will subtract. In whole, we'll subtract this part. What remains? This remains. Okay. QOS minus ROS equals to 90 degree. Now we have to write it as ROS equals to. Why means? In proof I want last. I want in ROS form only. Now we'll take this ROS to other side. Make this as a positive. this ROS goes to other side. Okay, ROS as a positive equals to 90. Sorry, here this remains as it is. QoS, this 90 goes to other side. This goes to other side. This ROS becomes plus ROS. This comes to other side. Plus 90 becomes minus 90. This has equation 2. I want as a ROS. Okay, now both the side ROS. Adding equation 1 and 2. What? Adding 1 and 2. ROS plus ROS, 2 ROS equals to, this is 90 minus POS plus, here it is, QoS minus 90. In this one, this plus 90 minus 90 cancels. What remains? 2 ROS equals to, I'll write this positive first one, QoS minus POS, and take this to denominator other side. ROS equals to, this becomes half when it goes to other side. This goes to denominator, and what remains? Angle QoS minus angle POS. Hence proved. This is what we have to prove. First 90 we have to consider. This is POS plus ROS equals 90. Then we have to write this in a ROS form. Take this POS to other side. 90 minus POS it becomes. Next other side this 90 will come. QOR equals to 90 degree. Then we have to write this. I don't want this in a QOR form. I want in a ROS form. That's why in QOS we'll subtract this ROS. We'll get 90 and rewriting as to get ROS, right? ROS equals to what? QoS minus 90. Then adding 1 and 2. ROS plus ROS. 2 ROS equals to, add both. What will get? Lastly, ROS equals to half into QoS minus POS.